Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one continues to hang in there, not making any sort of explosive movements, but despite all the stocks out there that have been making explosive movements, there's always that risk of, are people just going to chase and then go, follow those ones? But really, as far as this one's concerned, not really. I mean, it's like I said, the price hasn't exactly exploded upwards recently, but it's not like the price has collapsed or anything like that, which would imply that people are, kind of bored with it and then going and finding other stocks to trade. So overall, hanging in there very nicely. And as I've talked about in past videos, still all about that 950 mark. But what I do want to get into place here, especially after today's price movement, is there does seem to be a more so near-term level of support right there at 1035, which I would consider the ideal level. Ideal meaning, if you're to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, yeah, ideally, if the price can stay above 1035, that would be a fantastic sign of power. But with that being said, if the price falls below 1035, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would be a great sign. But if it doesn't, then you still have that 950 mark. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, going to go ahead and get that trend line right there, because to me, that's the level that's really just illustrating the selling pressure that has arisen. Now, when I say selling pressure, I don't mean it in a massively bearish sense, but just in the sense of, you can see that as, when the prices bounce, it's just slowly been creeping lower and lower downwards. So you got to keep an eye on that. But if the price can work its way up and get a good high volume break of that area, then that break very well could create some good upside buying pressure. I'm not saying it's going to guarantee that it sends it back up to the 1350s, but that would certainly be a step in the right direction. So overall, like I said, charts hanging in there, especially with all the other excitement going on in these various other stocks. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.